we have given a table and we have to represent this information in the form of circle graph. Some people were asked about their favorite season. 90 people vote for summer season, 120 people vote for rainy season, and 150 people vote for winter season. And we have to represent this information in the form of pie chart or circle graph. To represent it in the form of circle graph, we must know the central angle for each season, because pie chart is a circle. I have already discussed in the previous video. So to find the central angle, we need to find 90 is the which part of total number of people. So first of all, find the total number of people. So total 0, 6 and 3. Total number of people is 360. So fraction we need to find in fraction. So 90 upon 360 and it's 120 upon 360, 1 by 4 part of total people, and this is I have already explained in detail in previous video, and so we can find in this way. Five upon 12. I had find in fraction means if total people are 360, 1/4 votes for summer, 1/3 people vote for rainy season, and 5 by 12 vote for winter season. Now to find the central angles means from this whole circle, this will take 1 by 4 part. So whole circle means complete angle 360 degree. So draw radius. Now I have to represent 1 by 4 in the form of circle. So I need to find the central angle. Formula to find the central angle is value of particular item divided by total value multiplied by 360. So you can find in one column also. So 1 by 4 part. Total is 360. So 1 by 4 of 360. It's again 90 degree. It's again 90 degree. And 1 by 3rd, rainy season will take how much angle in this circle? So 1 by 3rd of total angle, that is equal to 120 degree. It's coincidence the same angle is coming because the total people 360 and total complete angle is 360, that's why. Otherwise in all question it's not like that. So 5 by 12 into 360, so it is 150 degree. And you know how to draw the angle. You will take the compass and draw here 90 degree angle. So I can draw 90 degree angle, and this is for summer season. And then for rainy season 120 degree angle. Now this line will be the radius and its obtuse angle. Take care, I consider this not this here, but I take here 120 degree. I count the inner scale for this is the center, 120 degree, because it's must mark this point. Keep this point so that it overlap the center. See video of question number 3. It's explained there in detail. So it's 120 degree angle for rainy season, and for winter season automatically it will be 150, or you can measure. Now this will be the radius and this mark on the center, and here 0 and it's 150 degree. So it's 150 degree and this is for winter season. You can color it by different color, or you can represent it by mark like these lines or small circle, and one is blank. Clear? So now I am going to discuss question number 5. I have told you I have taken question number 3 already in previous video. There it is explained in detail. So now question number 5. In question number 5, you have given that in a hostel 40 students speaks Hindi, 12 students speaks English, 9 students speak Marathi, 7 Tamil and 4 Bengali. And we have to represent this data in the form of pie chart. So how we will represent? I will discuss in short because in previous video I have explained in detail. So total people 72. So Hindi, out of 72, 40 speaks Hindi. Total and particular value. So we have to find Hindi spoken person will take how much angle of the complete. Complete angle is 360. So 40 out of 70, then we will multiply by 360. First we find fraction. Out of 72, 40 people speaks Hindi. And to find the central angle, total angle is 360. So 40 upon 72 of 360. Clear? So it will be 72 5 jar. 360, 200 degree. In previous question, I have first find one more column fraction. Now I am here directly putting the formula particular value divided by total value multiplied by 360. Now total upon 72 into 360, so it's 60 degree. 9 upon 72 into 360, so it will be 45 degree. And out of 72, 7 people speak Tamil, so angle is 35 degree. And out of 72, 4 people speak Bengali. So multiply by 360, it's 20 degree angle. Hindi speaking will take 200 degree angle here. And Marathi speaking will take 45 degree. So how will draw? Again draw radius. Then 20 degree. I am starting from the minimum 20 degree. Draw 20 degree angle. It's here 20 degree. Then I draw 35 degree for Tamil. Now this will be the radius. I have drawn here. 35, this will be the radius. Keep this mark here on the center. 35 here. So 35 degree. Then next angle is 45 degree. Now this line will be the radius. 45 acute angle, and take care that. So it's 45 here. Degree, then 60 degree. Now this line will be the radius and center here, and it's again 60 degree angle. So 30, 40, 60. And it's 60 degree angle. And automatically this is 200, remaining angle is 200. And you can find if it is a straight line, if it is 180 degree, then this will be 20 degree. So it is 200 degree angle. So in this way we draw a pie chart. First of all we find the central angle, then we draw a pie chart. And here is asked that this pie chart? Is there any question? No, simply to draw the pie chart. Thank you.